Welcome everyone to African Multi Design. Let's quickly have a look at how we can run an ad on Instagram. My name is Zanele. If we're meeting for the very first time, thanks for joining us today. So you're going to go to the post that you would like to boost on Instagram. Instagram is nice, easy, straightforward. You just find the post that you would like to boost, and it will have a button that says promote. Take note, you won't have the button that says promote if you've set up a lot of hashtags. It won't have that button, or if it's a picture that's not yours, it will block. You won't have that. But then Instagram is going to ask you to set a goal. I want people to go visit my website, so then I will change the website to my YouTube, because I want them to go to my YouTube to learn more about us. And you do have a choice of choosing if you want them to shop, watch more, contact you, book now, sign up. I want them to learn more because I want them to go to YouTube. Then you click on the tick button, then they will go to the website. Then you click on the arrow to go to the next button. Now you can set a target audience. Very important for you to set a target audience. You can tell Instagram to set to target certain people by creating your own. In other words, you can have a name of your audience, say it is people who shop, and location. You can tell Instagram the location. So for example, if you want Instagram to target South Africans or KwaZulu-Natal or Springs or Whiteville, or you can put in a specific target of an area that you want Whiteville, that you want Instagram to target. I can't believe Whiteville is not on Instagram anyway. I know Davidton is on Instagram. My gas, you see. So you can find even Nemagas. You can just select locations, and then you can tell Instagram to target. Now they're telling me that these two are overlapping, so I can take off Davidton, and then I would click next. That's the area that I'm targeting. So it's going to target 27 million people, which is a great number. The next important thing is interest. What do these people that you're targeting do? They shop online. So now you're setting certain things that they do, and you add these different kinds of interest. They have babies, they have small babies. Whatever interest that the group that you're targeting has, the Instagram is going to target them. They have, I don't know, they run whatever, like I said, they like running. Then Instagram will give you the potential of the number of people that you can target with the ad. So it's very important to make sure that you add as much interest for that specific group of people that you're targeting. When I'm targeting small business owners, I would say small business owners, they're young, their age, and you would put specific interest that those people that you want to sell to, you are targeting. Next, it's the age. You need to tell Instagram, I'm not targeting 13-year-olds. I'm targeting somebody who's 21 to the age of 35, for example, or 30. Then the potential number of people that are on Instagram is 4,900,000 people. It's a great number, and I'm targeting both males and females. If you don't want either one of the gender, you just untick it like that. It'll give you the number that you're targeting. So I leave both, and now I'm targeting these people. Then you click on next, and now there's my category. I want these people who I've called shop, and I'm happy with my audience. Then I go next. Now it's asking budget. Minimum budget on Instagram is 50 rands per day. If you want to spend more than that, that's fine, you can. But minimum, you need to spend 50 rands per day. If I'm happy with 50 rands per day, I just click on next. You're all set. That's it. You're done. You just click on create promotion, and then Instagram is going to send you a notification to say that it's been reviewed And where you look at the review process, you go to your promotions on your page, and then you go to the promotions that would be listed there. So this particular one that we've just done is in review. It shows there that it's in review. Once they're happy with your promotion, they're going to send a notification to say that it's live and up and running, and you will see, it will show you the number of hours. Like this one that I'm currently running, it will tell you how many hours and how many people you've reached and what are the analytics around, and they'll ask if you're happy with your promotion. And that is how you set up a Instagram boost or post. Take note, the banking details are linked to your Facebook account. So you need to have a Facebook linked to your Instagram before you can run a promotion on Instagram. So you need to go to Facebook, add the banking details over there before you can set up a promotion on Instagram, because you can't set it up on Instagram. They will debit the account that you use on Facebook. I hope this adds value to your business, and I hope you crush it and you make lots of money and you become successful. In the meantime, please subscribe, because it helps not only my channel, but it also helps all the other small businesses we're trying to teach. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll see you next time.